Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper and let me share with you how to change the language of this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, which should be in the left lower corner. And now we have to scroll down in this left section to the very bottom in order to find System and Updates. Now, as you can see in the third section, again, we've got the language and input. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's enter. And now let's tap on language and region. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently set languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically just find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. And I will pick French, for example, so let me tap on French. And as you can see, we will immediately get back to the previous step, to the previous page. But your device will ask you if you really want to change the system language to French. French, of course, in my case. So it will immediately want to set it. So let's tap on change. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, so French. What's more, it will appear on this list at the very top, because the language which is at the very top of this list will be set as default. So let's change it again. Here, I believe you've got a kind of edit or modify section. So let's just tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got two kind of differences, two actions which we can do. So we can freely move the languages. We can change the position of them. And thanks to that, change the language of the whole system. So I will do it. Let me tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. As you can see right now, I've got English. What's more, we can remove the languages here from this list just by tapping on this X button. I will leave the French for now. Remember to confirm everything with this tick icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. And as you can see right now, the English is at the very top. What's more, it has got this mark sign, mark icon, and everything is in English language. So basically, that's all. This is how to change system language in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.